best out of me. What if that's good enough for me? No. Try to kick back. No, oh, oh. No, not enough. Slow it down, you're a crazy child. What's the point of another mile? Turned on cool, then you'll have enough. But that's when you gotta move on. You're moving up till you got enough. I'm concerned that I know what to do, but then I will never follow through. No, oh, oh. No, not enough. Slow it down, you're a crazy child. What's the point of another mile? 3-piece soup and you'll have enough. But that's when you gotta move on up. Maybe I should just walk out the door, catch a train to somewhere by the shore.